Okay, back here looking at another Codewars exercise. This time is C++. Maybe an atypical language for me in these videos, but got to branch out a little bit. Changing letters is the exercise, and yeah, it is from Codewars. The stage has been set. You have been warned, my dude or my dudette. All right. When provided with the string, capitalize all vowels. For example, here's your input, and there's the sample output. And you'll see that all vowels are capitalized. And yeah, so all the vowels are capitalized. And Y is not a vowel in this exercise. Very good. So this is a simple idea. It's just the input's going to be a string that probably going to contain some vowels. You're going to capitalize them. And I guess if the vowels are already capitalized, they'll stay capitalized and whatever. So pretty simple idea. So not too much explanation needed. So I'm going to pile right into the code and clear this out. And I'm going to code today using online GDB. Just let me prep it a little bit here. Yep, I'll bring it over, and here we go. Let's take a look here. Yeah, incoming and outgoing. Just a pretty simple idea. Nothing to explain, even though I keep rambling. All right, so gonna get a string here, and I'm gonna capitalize all vowels. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna create a string containing vowels that I can use as a reference to be like, if it's one of these, it's a vowel. So I'll do my A-E-I-O-U, no Y's, and I don't know, well, if a letter's already capitalized, I'm not going to need to capitalize it, so I don't even need to check for capital vowels. Okay, so I got that, and I'm also going to need to have a destination string to hold my modified string data, because this parameter is constant, so I can't change it. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't change it, even though, yeah, you can modify strings in C++, but this directive keeps me from doing that. So I'll create a string to hold this stuff. Call it a new string and make it empty. Then I'm going to loop through my original string, or step through it, as some of the fancy people say. Standard for loop situation. And here's where I'm going to do the key logic of the exercise. I'm going to create an if statement, or statement that says if the character that I'm currently focused on through the iteration, if the current character is a vowel, I'm going to uppercase it. Otherwise, I am not going to uppercase it. So I'm going to use the find function in C++. So I'm going to do vowels.find, and I'm going to look for the current character from the input string in my set of vowels. So I'm going to say str index I, which means the current character. If this character is found in vowels, meaning if it is A, E, I, O, or U, almost singing right there. If it is one of those, then I am going to uppercase it. So the test would be if vowels.find current character is not equal to this directive, impos, because this impos means it's not found. So if it is not not found. That's a triple negative or something. Yeah. But so really it's if it's found. If it's found, it's a vowel and we uppercase it. So I do this. Concatenate to my new string. It'll be to upper. Yeah, using the C function, to upper. Now remember if it's yeah, there's no underscore here. To upper, and then that character. Yeah, because this is going to change it to uppercase. Yep. So I change it to uppercase there. And I do need an else for this situation. I need to say, otherwise, I'm just going to concatenate the non-uppercased current character. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so then I got that, and I'm going to, if, oh no, once I get through the modification of this data and placing it all into new string, I'm going to return said new string. Yeah. Gonna return that, and I can test this out now. I'm gonna eliminate some of these spaces just to save some space, because when you have the large type, space is at a premium. Yeah, so me clearing up the space kind of shows you a little sliver of main down there. So let me use main, and I will let's say here call it so I'll just call this string S, and then pass it a string. Let's see. Forget my STD. Never forget your STDs, folks. Okay, so yeah, I'm on line 37. I am calling the function and placing the result in S, and I'm going to see if it's uppercased, because we should have an uppercase E, O, and O from this hello world. So let's check it out and do it. Yeah, those vowels look to be uppercased. Yeah, even though these look like zeros. Yeah, looks good. So I'm going to copy this sucker into Codewars and give it a go. Give it a go, mate. And gotta see what I copied. Did I copy the curly braces? I did. So, good to go. Drop the code in here and run this sucker. Slow. Codewars is slow today. Alright, correctamundo. That passes. So, looking good here. So let me show you all the final code, and then I'll say my goodbyes. Final code once again, it's right here. So take a gander at that, and as I always say, look at it, improve it, because this ain't the best way. It's just a way that I decided to do to explain to y'all. But yeah, always be improving, always be getting better. I'm doing the same. So this one's done, and that means I'm done with this video. So with that, I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.